Overview of FIDIC Conditions of Contract. Join Engineer Abdul Rahman and Engineer Ajmal Hamdani for an in-depth webinar on FIDIC contracts, hosted by the Pakistan Engineering Council, by Wahaj Faisal. Webinar logistics or engagement duration or breaks. The webinar will last 2 to 2.5 hours, with 1 or 2 breaks for convenience. Q&A session. Questions will be noted during slides and answered at the end of the presentation. Audience reach. Over 12,000 registrations, with 1,000 in the room and others viewing on Facebook. Welcome from the Pakistan Engineering Council. Engineer Abdul Rahman of the Pakistan Engineering Council welcomes all professionals to this seminar. PEC regularly conducts CPD courses, seminars, and workshops for professional development. Acquiring CPD points is a mandatory professional requirement for registered engineers to maintain registration validity and eligibility for the PE exam. This is also an obligation as a member of the International Professional Engineering Alliance, IEA. Introducing Engineer Ajmal Hamdani. Engineer Ajmal Hamdani is a highly esteemed contract specialist with around 20 years of experience in contract management, procurement, and compliance in Pakistan. Head of Contract or Procurement at Rahman Habib Consultants. Previously worked with NESPAC, NDC, and ACE. Holds BS in Civil Engineering and MS in Water Resources Engineering. Managed contracts worth over $600 million, especially in ADB, World Bank-funded projects. Understanding FIDIC. Global Voice. FIDIC, International Federation of Consulting Engineers, was founded in 1913 as the Global Voice of Consulting Engineers. Contract structure. FIDIC contracts include general conditions, particular conditions, and various forms. Project-specific books. Different books, red, yellow, green, are used based on project type, design liability, and payment methods. Key differences. 1999 vs 2022 editions feature 1999 edition 2022 edition clauses. 21 clauses introduced. The latest edition used by PEC terminology. Appendix to Tender Contract Data. Risk allocation, Clause 17. Risk or responsibilities, Clause 17. Exceptional events. Exceptional risk, Clause 18. Insurance, Clause 19. Enhanced role of the engineer in FIDIC 2022. Professional engineer. The engineer must be a qualified, experienced, and competent professional engineer. Neutrality. Engineer acts neutrally under sub-clause 3.7, agreement or determination. Time bar. New time bars for engineers. Determinations and agreements ensure timely decisions. Variations. Variations are now executed only based on engineers' instructions. Key updates in FIDIC 2022. Confidentiality. Both parties are obligated to keep information and documents private and confidential. Employers' claims. Employers' claims now require similar notice and detailed particulars. Performance quality. Adjustments to performance quality are allowed if the variation exceeds 20%. Key personnel. Contractors' key personnel must be specified and replaced only with the engineer's consent. Claims or disputes in FIDIC 2022. 1. Clear definitions. Claims and disputes are now clearly defined in separate clauses. 2. DAB role. Enhanced Dispute Avoidance Board, DAB, can be approached for informal discussions to avoid disputes. 3. Exceptional events. Force majeure is replaced with exceptional events for clearer definition.